Okay, that sucks. Alright, now it should be recording. Okay, you get out.
Oh, wait. Sword. 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 Turn around. Turn the sword around.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Hey man, no whacking. That hurt. Hey, am I allowed to play?
Not yet.
Or, like, remember, if you get hit once, then you're dead. No matter where it is. Oh, you missed. Spin attack. Oh, wait, got itchy. Got itchy. Dave is dead. You're not allowed.
No, David, keep on dying. Go here and keep on dying.
Okay, whatever. Okay, he's dead. Alright. Matthew, you need to edit slot on this.
No, that's... 3, 2, 1, cut!
If you get hit by your own sword, that's not help, right?
Nope. David, go away. I'm gonna show your face. I don't want your face. This is trash. There, now you're dead.
Yeah.
Ultimate champion.
Out of the arena.
Ultimate champion, Matthew Anderson.
Don't give out my name!